Hi everyone, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we will discuss about conditional operator in C language. So conditional operator is also known as ternary operator because it is going to perform operations on three operands. The syntax for conditional operator is condition, true block, colon, false block, semicolon. So if the given condition is satisfied, it will execute true block. If the given condition is not satisfied, it will execute false block. Example, A greater than B. If this condition is satisfied, it is going to print the statements present in true block. That is, A will be printed. Otherwise, it is going to print B as. Let us take two examples for this. One program is program to find maximum of two numbers and minimum of two numbers. Using conditional operator. I'm going to include the header files #include stdio.h. Every program execution starts from main method. I'm declaring two variables like x and then y. I have to read those two variables. The format specified for reading integer is %d, %d, ampersand x and then ampersand of y. So printf maximum value equal to %d. We are going to find this using conditional operator. So if x is greater than y, we have to print x colon y. Similarly, to find minimum equal to %d. In place of greater than, you have to use less than to find the minimum value. Now let us run this in online compiler. Here I'm going to provide the inputs like 10 and then 2. Let me execute this. So maximum equal to 10 and minimum equal to 2. So the inputs are 10 and then 2. 10 is x value and 2 is y value. And the output which we got is max equal to 10 and minimum equal to 2. So in the same way, let us find the maximum and minimum of three numbers using conditional operator. So if we want to find maximum and minimum of three numbers, suppose I am taking the variables like x, y, and z. If we want to print x as big, then we have to compare x with y and x with z. So we have to check like x is greater than y and we have to check x is greater than z. Then only we can say that x is bigger. So to connect or to combine more than two conditions, we have to use logical AND. If x is greater than y and x is greater than z, then we can print x as big. Otherwise, we have to check like this. Only two variables are there. If y is greater than z, if this condition is satisfied, it will print y as big, or else z is big. Let us see this by taking example. I'm going to declare three variables. Every program execution starts from main method. I'm declaring three variables like x, y, and z. We need to read those three variables. So ampersand x, ampersand y, and ampersand of z. So we have to find the maximum of three numbers. So maximum equal to percentage d. Now I have to write the condition here. If x is greater than y and x should be greater than z also, then only we can say x as big, colon. We have to compare with y and z. So if y is greater than z, then we can print y as big, colon z. So in the same way, if you want to find minimum of three numbers also, we can use this min equal to percentage d. In place of greater than, we have to use less than. X is less than y and x is less than z. Then we can say x as minimum. Otherwise, y is less than z. Then it will print y or else z. Let us run this now. We have to provide three inputs here. I'm giving us 10, 20, and 30. So maximum value is 30 and min equal to 10. The inputs are 10, 20, and 30. The output which we got is max equal to 30 and minimum equal to 10. So this is about conditional operator. Thank you, friends.